I'm going to ask AI to give me 16 ways to find good YouTube ideas. Now the AI I use is chatgpt, and let's do the prompt. First one, know your audience, understand who your target audience is and what they are interested in. It really provides the specific ways on how to know your audience, like corner research, read comments on your videos, and engage with your viewers to identify their preference and topics they would like to see. So here I add some mention like you can leverage the community tab using the image post, text post, posting, or even letters feature, which is the quiz feature, and all these are great tools to engage with your audience. Stay updated with trends. Keep an eye on current trends, news, and popular culture. Look for ways to incorporate trending topics into your content while staying true to your niche. This is absolutely the truth. To leverage trending topics is extremely a powerful weapon to blow up your YouTube channel. And for finding the trends, you can focus more on the news that being discussed on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, or YouTube. Number 3, keyword research. Use keyword research tools like Google Trends, YouTube Search Suggestion, or Keyword Planner tools to identify popular search terms and topics in your niche. This can help you create content that aligns with what people are actively searching for. Then I continue asking what are the best tools to do keyword research on YouTube. The response was YouTube Search Suggestion, YouTube Keyword Planner, Google Trends, this blue one, keyword2.io, VIQ, and TubeBuddy. So now if you feel interested on these two, I'll put the links below. And the VIQ and TubeBuddy are subscription services, but if you are the first time comer, you will get a 30-day free trial to have a quick and full experience of how they actually really work. So don't miss the chance to try them free. Number 4, explore competitor channels. Analyze successful channel in your niche and see what type of content is performing well for them. While you should never copy the ideas directly, you can gain inspiration and put your unique spin on similar topics. Next, brainstorming season. Set aside dedicated time for brainstorming. Write down any ideas that come to mind, regardless of how unique or feasible they may seem. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore different angles for contents. This reminds me of Paddy Galloway, his 110-and-1 rule that means you write down 100 ideas and selected the best 10 and continue to choose the best one. Number 6, engage with your audience. Pay attention to the comments, messages, and feedback you receive from viewers. They may suggest video ideas, ask questions, or express their interest. Engaging with your audience can provide valuable insights and inspire new video ideas. Next one, explore different formats. Experiment with various video formats such as tutorials, challenges, vlogs, list stickers, interviews, reviews, or behind-the-scenes content. Mixing up your content format can help keep your channel fresh and attract a broader audience. You don't need to force yourself to follow this advice. You can just select which format that is more suitable and more comfortable for you to create. Number 8, draw from personal experience. Share your knowledge, expertise, and personal experiences with your viewers. You can provide tips, advice, or insight related to a niche, which can resonate well with your audience. Good advice. Number 9, conduct surveys or polls. Engage with your audience by conducting surveys or polls to gather their opinions and preferences. Ask them what topics they would like to see covered in your videos. This direct feedback can provide valuable insights for creating content that resonates well with your viewers, similar to the one I taught just now. Number 10, explore different angles and perspectives. Take a broader topic and approach it from different angles or perspectives. For example, if you have a cooking channel, you can create videos on specific cuisines, healthy recipes, quick meals, or cooking techniques. Number 11, collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other YouTubers in niche can not only help you tap into the audience but also generate fresh ideas. Brainstorm together, exchange expertise, and create joint videos that offer a unique blend of content from both channels. Implement this if you want to gain subscribers quickly. Number 12, utilize social media platforms. Stay active on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or Reddit, where discussion and trends are prevalent. Engage with communities, follow relevant hashtags, and participate in conversation to identify popular topics and gather inspiration for your videos. I mentioned this just now, that utilizing social media can lead you to know the trending topics more quicker than others. Number 13, address frequently asked questions. Pay attention to the questions you receive from viewers through comments, emails, or social media. Create videos that directly address those frequently asked questions, providing in-depth answers and guidance. This is also one of the most used, also iconic way to get views, as you are trying to answer the simple but the question might trouble your audience for a long time. Number 14, follow industry news and events. Stay updated with the latest news, event, conference, or product launch related to a niche. Creating timely content around industry updates or breaking news can help you establish yourself as a knowledgeable authority in your niche. Next, Number 15. Repurpose or update old content. Review older videos and see if there is an opportunity to update or repurpose them. You can create follow-up videos, refresh version, or dive deeper into specific aspects covering the original content. And lastly, explore educational content. This is similar to sharing knowledge or expertise. So now this is all the 16 ways given by ChatGPT, and I think many of these are quite useful and solid to all creators. Also, don't forget to check out the VIQ and TubeBuddy under the description. And